Guys, I wanted to become a pilot, and not because of money and not because of status. Guys, I genuinely wanted to fly an aircraft and travel across the world and get paid for doing what I loved. Guys, the day I finished my second PUC, I completely sure about my future. That's pilot. And guys, that was the plan until I searched for one thing. How much does pilot training cost in India? Guys, the result was shocked. 50 lakh, 60 lakh, 80 lakh and nearly 1 crore guys. Guys, honestly, for a middle class family like mine, that was not a number I could ignore. That's huge guys. That's when reality hit me. Guys, I had no backup plans, no second dreams and no passion for 10 different careers guys. For the first time in my life, I was so confused. So I started exploring other options too guys, since aviation was still in my interest. Okay, and yeah, I thought about aeronautical engineering. I researched colleges and I watched videos and I asked and spoke with many students guys. And one thing kept repeating everywhere. A lot of college were heavily focused on theory. Again, I am not blaming any professors or any lecturers. Most of them are genuinely loyal and trying their best. But the problem is in the system, guys. Students are learning what is in the syllabus, guys. Companies are hiring based on the skills. And there is a huge gap between those two guys. The one who study for mass and the one who study for skills. That's when I started asking myself a simple question, that was, what does the industry actually want? Guys, the answer was very clear. They want skills, projects and ability to solve the problem, okay, after the practical experience. And they don't need your marks and they don't need your assignments, okay. And around that time I hearing more and more about AI guys, everywhere, and every industry, every company, every startup, all are expecting AI to improve and adopt AI in their companies and all. And AI was growing insanely fast. So I asked myself another question, that is, can I combine technology with aviation interest? And guys, I discovered fields like aviation, AI engineering, autonomous aircraft engineering, flight simulator, etc. Suddenly things started making sense guys. Even if I don't become an aviation AI engineering, AI itself has massive opportunities. And if aviation opportunities came later, I can move into them. And guys, it gave me flexibility and it gave me options. And that's why I finally decided AI and ML is the best for me. Not because it was in trend, not because someone forced me, because it gave me multiple paths instead of locking me into one. Guys, now comes to the college part. Most people think choosing a course is difficult. No guys, for me choosing the right college is even harder. I wrote KCT and I wrote JEE. My KCT rank was around 1 lakh and in JEE I scored 75 percentile, okay. I don't even attended for JEE advanced guys because some issues, and mainly at the time I was focused on becoming a pilot and no clue about what IITs and all. Later when I started researching about engineering colleges, I had one requirement. I don't want only the theory guys, I wanted practical learning and I wanted coding. Mainly I wanted is industry exposure because I wanted to build the things guys, not just to study them. That's when I discovered NIAT, that is next to Institute of Advanced Technology. The concept itself caught my attention guys. The vision was simple, to give students a more industry focused education instead of only traditional classroom learning. Guys, the founder Rahul Atulri sir, he had studied at IIT and worked at Google. The idea of bringing industry focused learning into engineering education sounded exactly like what I was searching for. Later NIAT announced Bangalore through a collaboration with SVASA and I was excited again guys until I saw the fees. The fees was 16 lakh. Guys, I still remember the shock guys. Guys, it's a huge decision and a huge responsibility. Eventually after discussing everything, I decided to take an education loan. Guys, now let's talk about what surprised me after joining NIAT. Because honestly, many colleges look like amazing in advertisement only guys. Reality is usually different, but There were a few things that genuinely surprised me, guys. First one is coding. Coding starts becoming a part of my life, guys. I am not just listening to concepts there. I am actually building things, and I do coding every single day. Next is creators ecosystem. This was completely unexpected, guys. Things like creator labs, content creation opportunities, and meetings many other creators, also building and improving communication skills. Guys, these were the things I never expected from engineering colleges, and honestly, it helped me to grow outside academics too, guys. Next one is exposure. They will do hackathons, workshops, and guys, we have brave program where we have to identify real business problems, and we have to build and solve solution for that using AI tools. The ultimate goal is to solve, build, and earn. Through this innovation and program, we can earn. Guys, we have grit program where it offers fully sponsored trip to global innovation hubs like Japan, Germany, and the USA. This is what grit program means. The eligible is we have to perform in hackathons and codings. Also, we have exams in weekends, we have to attend it, and we have to earn grit miles, guys, so that the top performers will qualify to grit. Does that mean everything is perfect? No, guys, no college is perfect, and guys, every college has pros and cons, and NIT is no exception. So who should join NIT? Guys, if you're looking for a college where you only attend classes and write exams, go home. This not for you, guys. If you're really looking for practical exposure, projects, codings, hackathons, and earn while in college, this might for you, guys. You have to research on it, and not because I joined and not someone promoting NIT. And go through the link in description, also in comment section. If you want to join NIT, use that link, guys.
Gang is what I trust. Straight up. Don't